Okay, now here is the standard charging arm on the Savage 64F, and you see it's kind of short, not that easy to charge the bolt with, and it's kind of sharp on the edges there. So I'm going to modify mine with a little bit longer extension on it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and disassemble the gun so I can remove the existing charging arm from the bolt. I'm not going to film that because there's other videos already out, and the instruction book that comes with your gun is going to tell you how to do that. So right now I'm just going to stop the video and disassemble the gun. Okay, if you look at the existing charging arm, you'll see that there's a hole into the center of it. And I found out that you can tap that and install a 1/4 inch bolt that will hold the extension piece onto the charging arm. There's the hole right down the middle of it. Okay, the 4 things you're going to need, of course, first of all is your existing charging arm after you removed it from the bolt, a 1/4 inch fine thread bolt right there. Then I also found a brass fitting that is used to fasten small 1/4 inch water lines, like for a refrigerator ice maker. It's a little compression nut. And then a 1/4 by 28 fine thread tap. What we're going to do is tap threads into the existing charging arm. So I've already done it with this one. I tapped it out. I recommend you use a bottom tap if you can, so that you can get the threads deeper into that hole. On mine, I actually drilled the hole a little bit deeper before I tapped it out. So once you've tapped it out, you can use the bolt to fasten your little brass fitting onto the charging arm. And now you have an extended charging arm. And the cost to do this, if you already have a tap, is hardly anything. I do recommend when you install the bolt into the charging arm that you use some blue Loctite to make sure it doesn't vibrate loose when you're shooting the gun. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and install this back on the gun so you can see what it looks like when it's installed. Alright, here is the charging arm with the extension mounted on the Savage 64F, and it just is extended just about a ½ inch longer, and it actually looks almost like it was the original arm. You can see it makes it much easier now to rack the bolt. Your finger fits around it nicely, and it is more comfortable than the short charging arm that is on the gun.